Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to join public trades without invitation. So it sounds like when someone asked you how to join someone's house without knocking the door. But it's too easy to be done. So as note, in the private trades case, only moderators and people that you invite are able to access a private trade, compared to a public trade which anyone in the select parents channel is able to access. But for public ones, you can get through them without invitation. So first you need to turn your profile into public and then look for the public trades that you want to by using the search bar. Till now we are fine. So I'm going to show you how to turn your profile into a public one. First you just need to go through your app, threads, and tap on it. And then go into your profile from the icon. And as you can see, this icon shows that my profile is private. So I just need to click or tap on it and then switch my profile by tapping on here to a public profile. So till now we are good, and we can go into the search bar, and here we can go into the public search bar and we can get through the public threads. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and that's how you can get through, or that's how to join public threads without invitation.